What up, ninjas? Gajo here. Ninja of guns types. We're at the range and got some of that federal good stuff there. And been shooting a little bit today, but let's see if I can zoom in on this and show you where I've been shooting at. I don't know if you can see that very well, but we'll put her on a tripod and I'll show you some shots I'm taking here. The goal is to not go outside the green rig. So that's like an inch and a half. 5 yards right now. I would 100, or not 100, but it's 6 yards. About the same thing. Got the gun sighted in pretty good. Nothing special. You can probably hear the other guns going off in the background. That's the pistol. You didn't know. Had some guys in here with a 308 earlier and they're booming the place up, so I'm the only one in here right now, so I figured I'd take advantage of that. Guy. A little bit. Had a failure to eject, and I think it's stuck in there. Let's see if I can get it out. The round that fed in. Let's see if I can't extract it. Yep, I can extract it. I'm going to shoot it off the target just because I know it's probably not going to work. I'll show you guys a couple of my misfires earlier today from some shitty ammo I got. Definitely. But it shot so good though. It just shot so fucking good. Shitty round out of the chamber, back to the center of the green target. Or shoot. Oh, that's bad. Too high. Low. Alright, let's zoom out. I'm gonna take you off the thing here. Let's call it back. I'm using federal ammo. Here, this is the failure to eject. Just got smashed right in there. Right in there, it got squished. So you can see, I pretty much keep it a pretty tight, like 2-inch group, a 1.5-inch group there. Everything it seems to be shooting just a hair high, but that's because I probably because I use less ammo than this sighter in, so either way. basically what I'm shooting today, or what I have shot today, is I got some of that, shot some mini mags, shot some of these, some nice round nose. These things are a little squirrely. I don't like these. They're not very accurate. Way more accurate over here. I put one dead center with this shit. Squirrely. I don't like these Winchesters. But the ammo that I'm talking about is this stuff. This shit's scary to shoot. I had a misfire. Blew the rim clean off of it. Tried to shove another bullet right in where the rim was. Had to make sure that my muzzle was clean before I shot some more. So I'm gonna wait to shoot some more of this stuff. But as you can tell, measuring for rim thickness makes a difference. Because the other stuff is a little bit squirrelier, but this one seemed to hold a lot tighter. If shaky hand, but yeah, good stuff, not bad.